Everyone, welcome to my channel. So eyes play an important role when you're doing makeup. Your good eye makeup can actually create or ruin your entire makeup look. So it is very important to apply correct makeup on your eyes. At the same time, it is also very important to choose right and wise eye products because eyes are very sensitive part of our body, and we should always look at the ingredients of all the products which we buy for our skin or for our makeup. So this time I have tried my hands on a new brand called Kiro Beauty. So Kiro Beauty has got a wide range of all types of makeup products, and this time I have bought various range of eye products. I have bought myself one kajal, one eyeliner and three different shades of colored eyeliner, you could say. So I'm going to show you the swatch of all of them now in the video. But before going ahead, I would like you to like and just subscribe to my channel. So this is the eyeliner which I am right now having by Kiro Beauty. Look at the texture of the eyeliner. It is so smooth, it looks so beautiful, it is waterproof and doesn't smudge at all. At the same time, look at the kajal. This is also by this beautiful brand called Kiro Beauty. It is again smudge free, and let me tell you, I have applied this liner and this kajal for more than almost 12 hours and it hasn't smudged. So this is the beauty of this product. Another very important thing which I would like to talk about the Kiro products is that all its eye products have vitamin E and argan oil in it. So it is safe to be used on your eyes. So let's just get started with the swatch of all of them on my hands, because I feel that if I am going to show the swatch on my hand, it would be quite clear to you regarding the color and the shade which turns out to be. So let's just get started. I'm going to start the swatch from this very beautiful Kiro waterproof soft matte eyeliner pen. As you can see, this comes with a tip, and when you apply this, look at the beauty. So it gives very nice strokes. If you want to increase the thickness, you can increase it, because this comes in a pen form which has a good tip which is quite movable. And look at the pigmentation. This is so pigmented, and this is completely smudge free. Just look at it. It is not at all smudging at all. See, I'm just trying to erase it, but it's not going anywhere. So obviously you would be requiring a makeup remover in order to remove this when you are going to take off your makeup. Let's move on to the next product. Next product which I'm going to show to all of you is Kiro Beauty All Day Comfort Kajal Liner. So this comes in this form. You can see how long this kajal stick is, right? Now let me just show you how pigmented this kajal is. So look at it. See, it is so smooth in application, and in just one application, this has given me this so pigmented dark black eye color. This is again smudge free. You can see it is not going anywhere. Let's move on to our next product. The next eyeliner I'm going to show to all of you is its high definition soothing eyeliner pencil, which is in the color Sapphire Blue. Again, this comes in this form. Let me show you how this color look like. See, this is the Royal Sapphire Blue color, and this is just in one application. It is so smooth when I glide it, and its ingredients are super amazing. As I have already told you, it's all products are paraben free and chemical free, cruelty free. The next shade is the earth brown shade in this liner. Again, let me show you the swatch of the same. I am applying a lot of pressure, that is why this is coming out like this, because it is so soft, guys. So see how pigmented it is. It is very smooth when I glide it. And look at the pigmentation. All keto products are paraben free, and especially all these eye products are may have vitamin E and argan oil. The last shade which I want to show you is its smoked violet shade. Now just look at the shade. So even when you are applying it, if you want to smudge it immediately, just smudge it like this on your eyes. As you can see, I have applied this Kiro Beauty eyeliner on my eyes in the shade Smoked Violet, and I'm gonna smudge it using my finger slowly and gradually. I'm gonna create a smoke on my eyes. A beautiful smoke. Can you see? So this is how it looks. So if you are also planning to buy some eye products for your eye makeup, then you should go and try Kiro Beauty eye products. They are super amazing, super smooth, made up of very great ingredients which are very safe to use and paraben free and dermatologically tested and cruelty free and whatnot more. So just go grab your Kiro products now, try it, and after trying, share your experience with me in the description box below. For more videos and for more links related to the website of Kiro Beauty, look at the description box below. I'm going to put all the details and all the links, relevant links, in the description box below. Do subscribe my channel and stay tuned. Bye bye.